Updating your email address on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select email address. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Account Information. Tap on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes and update your email address. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated on your Lyft account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.